In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Google Slides into Google Docs. This feature is really handy when you're looking to integrate visual content from a presentation right into your document. So, let's get started. First things first, you're going to want to open up your Google Doc. Make sure you've got the right file ready that you want to work with. Now keep in mind that this process works great if you have both your Google Doc and Google Slides open, or at least have access to both in the same browser session. Once your Google Doc is open and you're ready to insert a slide, simply go to the point in the document where you want to add it. Here comes the magic part. You'll type the @ symbol in the document. This isn't just a symbol. It's a powerful tool that opens up an entirely new set of functionalities. After typing the @ you'll want to begin typing the exact title of your Google Slides presentation. This is why it helps to know your presentation's title or at least have it visible in a tab so you don't make any typos. Now, as you start typing, a drop-down menu will appear. This is Google's way of helping you connect your content quickly and efficiently. Keep typing until you see your presentation in the drop-down list. When it pops up, go ahead and click on it. Selecting the correct presentation from the list is crucial, so take a moment to ensure it's the one you intend to use. Now you've added what's called a chip link to your document. This small, unobtrusive element allows you to access and preview your slides directly in your Google Doc without needing to switch windows. If you hover over this newly inserted chip, you'll be able to see a preview of the slide that's linked. This preview feature is incredibly practical because it gives you a quick glance without the distraction of opening the full presentation. You can make sure it's precisely the slide you intended to insert. This little process not only saves time, but also maintains a seamless flow as you integrate more media into your documents. By mastering this technique, you're maximizing the potential of Google's suite of tools, allowing for a smooth convergence between documents and presentations. And there you have it. That's how you can insert Google Slides into Google Docs. Pretty straightforward, right? This method is excellent for making your documents more engaging and informative, leaving your audience with a comprehensive view of your work. Remember to save your document to keep these additions intact. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.